Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make lots of Pusheen Cat Cookies, and because I don't want the cats to be hungry, we're gonna make the food for them too. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. For the cookie shapes, I'm using simple paper templates, and for actual cookie design, I'm using another paper template. You can find a link where you can get these posted down below in the description area. Here I'm using edible marker, and once you have your outline on the cookie, we can start piping. To decorate the cat cookies, I'm going to use three colors: dark gray, light gray, and black. First we are going to outline with dark gray, and then take your light gray, that is about 15-second consistency, and flood the whole thing. The medium I'm using to decorate is royal icing, and link to the recipe that I like to use is posted down below in the description area. While the light gray is still wet, take dark gray and pipe the details. Once you pipe all the details, you have to let it dry, and then we can add eyes, mouth, and the whiskers. I'm using black royal icing here, and this is a piping consistency. Here is the second design. Would you like some cookies and milk? To decorate these miniature cookies, I'm mostly using 20-second consistency royal icing. And don't forget to make the cookie jar. To make the cookie jar shape, I used a small oval shape cutter, and I trimmed the bottom and the top. Using black edible marker, write cookies on the cookie jar. How about we make strawberries and apples? And I also love watermelon, so let's make that. Here is another shape that we'll be making. Here is the last of the shapes that I'm gonna do. And like I mentioned before, you can find all of the templates online. I'm going to include a link where you can get these down below in the description area. Have you heard? Pusheen Cat likes donuts, so let's make a donut. Who doesn't love cupcakes, right? Can you make us pizza, please? Sure I can. We really want potato chips. Please, can you make us some potato chips? Okay, I will. You are still hungry? Okay, how about some Nutella? To write on cookies, I'm using edible markers. And who are the flowers for? It's for you guys, for supporting my YouTube channel, for watching my videos, for commenting, writing me messages, sending me pictures of your creations. I really enjoy that very much. I wanted to thank you all, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.